this video I'm going to show you the best way to make money online in 2019 using affiliate marketing with this website called Quora.com. So this is where people ask certain questions in niches like marketing, psychology, fitness, photography. There's all types of different niches here. So I'm going to show you how to search up questions that people ask where they're most likely to buy a product from you. So these could be like your own products, or you can just search up an affiliate product from clickbank.com or any other affiliate network. So I'm going to show you how to search up a name of an affiliate product or your own product and get them to actually buy from you, or they're just highly likely to buy from you. And the way you search up these questions is with Google. So I'm going to show you a cool little trick that you can try out, and this works out really well for me, and I get really high converting clicks from Quora.com when I use this trick. So if you want to know how to build a complete affiliate marketing business from scratch, from start to finish, then make sure you check out the first link in the description below, which is a 4-day blueprint on how to build an online business with affiliate marketing. And this is a free course that's taught by Franklin Hatchet, and there's an entire module in this course about how to get sales through Quora.com. So there's a Facebook group where he teaches you exactly how to ask the questions and answer questions so you can actually get affiliate sales in any niche that you want. And not only that, there's also other tricks that you can do through YouTube.com, how to get free traffic through Facebook groups, how to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. And I've never seen another course give away this much value away for free, because he won't ask you to buy like a $200 course or a $1,000 course at any point in this training. The course is completely free and you have nothing to lose at all. So he has an entire module on how to start and grow a YouTube channel. He has an entire module on how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. He has an entire module on how to run Google ads. There's heaps of value in here, so just hit the first link in the description below. Sign up here with your name and email, and this is the first video you get access to, and then the rest of the videos will come in within the next week. So let's get started with this. So I'm going to use the fitness niche as an example. It usually works really well. So I'm going to go to clickbank.com and click on the affiliate marketplace. And remember, you don't have to use clickbank.com. You can use any other affiliate networks as well. I saw some people that say that clickbank doesn't work in their country. It doesn't really matter. Just search up fitness affiliate programs on Google and you'll find heaps of affiliate programs within your country. And so what I'm going to do is click on health and fitness. So I'm going to search it up by gravity. So the gravity number shows you the products that get the highest number of sales for the affiliates. So this product right here is quite popular. I've also got heaps of sales with this product. It's called Flat Belly Fix. So what I'm going to do is go to google.com and just type in site Quora.com. So when you search up site with a semicolon and then you type in a website like Quora.com or YouTube.com or Facebook.com, it's only going to give you search results from that website. And then what you do is you hit space and then you type in Flat Belly Fix. So this is the keyword that it's going to look for within this website called Quora.com, which is this website right here. So it's going to look for people that have asked questions or answered questions with the keyword Flat Belly Fix. So this is a really useful trick right here, and it just usually finds people that are searching up questions like, is Flat Belly Fix a good program? Do you have a good review of Flat Belly Fix? And all you have to do is just write your own review of Flat Belly Fix, or just write a review of your own product that you're trying to sell, and just leave the link, the affiliate link, or leave the link to your store, whatever it is that you're trying to sell, in the answer section of the question that you just answered. So when you hit enter, it shows you all the results are from Quora.com, and these are all questions about Flat Belly Fix. So this guy asked, what is the flat belly fix? How to fix my flat belly fix? A flat belly is my dream, blah blah blah. And this person just answered it with the Flat Belly Fix program. So let's have a look at this. So this is just one of the questions. So this isn't asking exactly about the product, about Flat Belly Fix, but someone's actually answered, recommended the product Flat Belly Fix. So what I do is I hit Control F, or that's on Windows, and if you're on Mac, just hit Command F, and that brings up the find icon right here. So I just type in Flat Belly Fix, but it's not coming up with anything, so that doesn't really matter. But so this question isn't really about Flat Belly Fix, but you can answer this one, which is about Flat Belly Fix, and it looks like this is the affiliate link right here, and these are all affiliate links. So this is clearly working. There's other people already doing it, and the cool thing is you can actually see how many views each answer has gotten. So this answer right here got 183 views. This one's got 22 views. So let's say this one's got 89 views. So let's say you just answer like 10 questions per day, something like this. You don't really have to copy and paste. You can answer like just maybe just like 2-3 sentences, and let's say each of those answers get 10 views. So that's about 100 views per day, and all you have to do is just get like 2 or 3 sales per day, and that's your first $100 per day. So that's how you search up certain questions. There's also another trick. All you have to do is just click on tools right here and click on anytime and click on past month or past year. Usually I'll go for past month, and it brings up all the questions that have been asked in the past month. So this question was only asked 3 days ago, this one was 6 days ago, 5 days ago. So this strategy works really well, and you can find really high converting questions that are being asked on Quora.com. So usually when people do this trick, they usually just go straight to the search bar on Quora.com, and they just search up fitness, lose belly fat or something like that, which is like a certain belly fat loss right here. And they just answer as many questions as they can from here. Now this does work, but this works even better when you ask the question, when you search up the question from Google.com, and you search it up by the time. So you can search it up by the past 24 hours. So people that have asked questions about weight loss in the past 24 hours, there's heaps right over here. Oh, there's actually only 3, but it doesn't really matter, it's good enough. And just answer as many questions as you can. And remember, this is just within the fitness niche. There's heaps of other niches here. So there's like photography. There's an entire niche for photography on clickbank.com. So just go into the affiliate marketplace and you should be able to find it somewhere here. I think, yeah, right here. This is a photography product right here, and it's a $67 product. So this is how you get sales, not just with one niche. Maybe pick like 2 or 3 niches and just promote all these answers on Quora.com, and eventually you will start getting those sales, because those answers that you answer isn't just going to disappear. It's going to stay up there for forever. And it's, it's eventually all those answers that you answer for, like, let's say you just answered like 10 questions per day for 30 days. That's 300 questions that you just answered, and that's going to get quite a few views every single day automatically. So you'll also get sales automatically as well. So that's just one way of doing affiliate marketing. There's plenty of other ways, other strategies that have shown that have been shown on this course right here, which is completely free, and this is the best course that I've ever taken, and it's completely free. And I've spent thousands of dollars on courses before, but this is probably the best one I've ever taken, and it's free. And Franklin Hatchet has heaps of value in this course, so I highly recommend this course. So hit the first link in the description below and you can get started. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.